You have probably always been charitable. Rarely do people wake up in their retired years and suddenly become charitable when they weren't before. If you are, God bless, that's a great thing. But usually this is something that goes on as you age and retire, and it becomes one of those questions that people get challenged with all the time. How much do you give at retirement? What about the market and the unknowns? How do I know I won't run out of money? There are lots of things to consider inside of charitable gifting. We're going to try to walk you through them right now. I will tell you, you can go to yourlifeafterwork.com, get signed up for a Next Steps meeting, and we'll go over the Better Giver program with you, where it's not our job to help you give more, it's just to give better, more efficiently, if you will, from a tax standpoint in terms of where we are. And one of the rules of charitable gifting, and this is one of the conundrums, if you will, is that people do tend to give out of income, not out of assets. So in the days of pensions and everything else, if you were used to giving 10% of your retirement or 10% of your income, and you retired and your income stayed at a certain level, or even if it was reduced, it was very natural to give 10% of that to the charity of your choice. One of the challenges that happens as people age now is the majority of their money is inside of 401ks or 403bs, or what we call defined contribution plans. And people just aren't as apt to pull money out. They're not spending it because if they pull it out, they have to pay taxes on it. Nobody likes the IRS.